How to clear cache on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Spotify easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Spotify. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on the wheel option and then go down and search for the clear cache option right here. Just keep going down and here is it in the storage option. Now clear cache from here and click on the clear cache option. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you later.